Today we are exploring one of London's most modern and fascinating areas, Canary Wharf. From stunning skyscrapers, views, luxurious boats, waterfronts, walkways, public art, food, sport, hidden gems, and showing and discovering my visit. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I hope you guys are doing well, and I hope you are being blessed. If you're new here, welcome. And to all my regular viewers, thank you for coming back and supporting my journey. My journey began here in Hackney. Originally, I planned to take the DLR, but due to cancellation, I made my way to Stratford, jumped on the Jubilee line from platform 15 instead. The journey was surprisingly quick. It took only around 10 to 15 minutes before I arrived in Canary Wharf. Arriving in Canary Wharf, as soon as I stepped off the train, I rode the escalator up to the level. I was greeted by one of the most impressive skylines in this part of London. A glass skyscraper towering above me, reflecting of the afternoon sunlight. For a moment, I genuinely felt like I had left London and entered another city, although Canary Wharf is one of UK's major financial districts, home to some of the tallest buildings in the country, and you can definitely feel the modern city atmosphere the moment you arrive. So I started exploring the waterfront areas and immediately noticed how clean, peaceful, and well designed everything was. Along the docks, beautiful mariners, boats, and luxurious yachts. Calm waters create incredible reflection of the surrounding sky. Walking along the waterside, I saw locals enjoying afternoon sun, couples relaxing on benches, family out for strolls. The atmosphere felt relaxed despite being in the middle of London's busiest district. Further along, I spotted people enjoying rental boats on the water. Seeing boats cruising between towering skyscraper create a unique contrast between nature and modern city life. Everywhere I look, there's something interesting to film, from unusual shape of skyscraper to stunning reflection dancing across the water. I came across a food vendor preparing fresh meal right on the spot. The smell alone was enough to make everyone hungry. One thing I really like about Canary Wharf is how blend business, leisures, food, and public space all in one area. You'll find office workers, tourists, families, and photographers all enjoying one space together. Along the docks were beautiful mariners filled with boat and luxurious yachts. Calm water created incredible reflection of the surrounding skyscraper, making some amazing views and footage. Walking along the waterside path, I saw locals enjoying the afternoon sun, couples relaxing on benches, and family out for strolls. The atmosphere felt relaxed despite being in the middle of one of London's busiest business districts.
Well done.
Some of the most interesting moments was spotting local angel fishing along the docks. We were lucky enough to see one of them actually catch a fish. So after a quick look, the fish was immediately returned back into the water, as many angels here practice catching and releasing fishing. It's easy to forget you're in the middle of one of London's financial centre. At one point, I start feeling a bit peckish. Since I've always tried to travel on a budget, I popped into Marathon Dailies for a quick snack. It's a great option if you're visiting Canary Wharf and don't want to spend too much money on food. The most unique thing I discovered was a giant dolphin sculpture made from recycled plastic bottles. It was both impressive, though provoking. The art highlights environment awareness and remind visitors about the impact plastic waste and how our waterways and oceans. Not everything in Canary Wharf is glass and steel. I also found beautiful green space, water features, and fountains where people are relaxing with coffee, chatting with friends, or simply enjoying peaceful surroundings. It's easy to forget you are in the middle of one of London's financials. I headed into the shopping centre where you will find a huge variety of shops, restaurants, and places to eat. I stopped by Nando's for dinner before making my way back to the station. On the train home, the journey ended with a bit of excitement as a group of footballers fans celebrate their team victories. Overall, Canary Wharf completely surprised me. From the breathtaking skyline and luxurious yacht, to the peaceful waterfront, to the walks on the sidewalk. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.